Saving money during college can be challenging, but is definitely achievable with some smart strategies. Here are some tips. All right, number one, create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Allocate funds for necessities like rent, food, and transport while setting aside a portion for savings. Number two, use student discounts. Take advantage of student discounts on shopping, dining, and entertainment. Always ask if a student discount is available. Number three, cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so prepare meals at home to save money and eat healthier. All right? Now, number four, buy or rent used textbooks. Instead of purchasing new textbooks, buy used ones or rent them from bookstores or online platforms. Right? Number five, limit credit card use. Use credit cards wisely to avoid high interest debt. Pay off the balance each month to maintain a good credit score. Number six, use public transportation. If possible, use public transportation instead of owning a car. It saves on gas, on insurance, and maintenance costs. Number seven, find part-time work. Consider a part-time job or work-study program to earn extra income. Number eight, take advantage of free events. Many colleges offer free activities and events. Participate to save on entertainment costs. By implementing these strategies, you can manage your finances better and save money during your college years.